When modeling in 3D, it's important to have quick access to essential tools and settings. UModelerX includes a toolbar that integrates directly into the Unity interface, giving you full control without interrupting your workflow. Now, there's two types of toolbar overlays. You have the UModelerX settings toolbar, and then you have the mesh ops toolbar. The UModelerX settings toolbar gives you direct access to display settings, snap, and the coordinate system options. For example, let's look at the display settings. You can open them by clicking the display icon in the overlay. If you hover over any icon, Unity will show a tooltip describing what it does. Now, by default, the UModelerX settings toolbar appears in the Unity header here. The display icon lets you toggle different mesh elements such as vertices or edges, and you can toggle them on and off. Now, this is especially helpful when working with dense meshes that contain a large number of vertices. Now, in the snap settings, you can quickly switch your movement between non-world or increment, which helps with aligning and placing your game objects accurately in the scene. You can also adjust the global coordinate system, which has 5 options to choose from. Now, the second overlay is the Mesh Ops toolbar. These tools are designed for non-UModelerX objects and make general editing and world building tasks easier. We have a full video that goes into these tools in detail. Now, no matter what you're creating in UModelerX, you'll always have quick access to the essential functions that keep your modeling workflow smooth and efficient.